So good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. I'm audible. Pritam, are you there? Hello. Akash. Akash Mane. I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Audible.
Okay. Okay. In morning lecture, I have give a brief review, revision on chapter number 4. That is the introduction to pneumatic system and the actuators. Now, this is a session, a slot. It will be reserved for the practical session, right? In last week, in previous Wednesday, we have uh, given the demonstration on first experiment, right? It is related to the speed control circuit. Here you have to study meter in circuit, meter out circuit, and grid off circuit. The basic difference between three circuits is that in meter in circuit, we are providing the flow control valve at the inlet of the cylinder. In meter out circuit, you are providing the flow control valve at the outlet of the circuit. And in grid off circuit, we are providing flow control valve in bypass line of the hydraulic circuit. Now, today we will focus on, if you are observing our syllabus, as per as the part of the term, we have covered demonstration of hydraulic speed control circuit. Now, today we have given brief review on demonstration of transverse and feed circuit. This is the second experiment on which we have to study the transfer and feed circuit. As physically, practical is not conducting, so we cannot go for the demonstration. I will give a link as in previous practical session also I have provided the link to explain the speed control circuit. Likewise, in this session also I will provide the link which will show the animation and certain link that will explain this transfer and feed circuit used in a hydraulic applications. That we will that link I will share after some time on WhatsApp group. You may go through that link, study it, understand it. Now, one question is there. In a last practical, whatever the link I have shared, you have gone through that link and you have to write certain write up related to the that demonstration experiment. That is the title of the experiment. Then in theory, you have to write three circuits: meter in circuit, meter out circuit, and grid off circuit. You have to write its explanation along with its particular application or circuit diagram. what I am telling. Are you understood? मी काय सांगतोय ते लक्षात येतंय का? हॅलो, आय एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
पहिला एक्सपेरिमेंट दिला मी तुम्हाला डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशनचा, की ज्याच्यामध्ये डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन ऑन स्पीड कंट्रोल सर्किट, त्याचे लिंक स्लाइड एक्सप्लेनेशनच्या पाठवल्या, राईट, व्हिडिओज पाठवले, ते करायचे आणि तुम्हाला एक्सपेरिमेंट लिहायचा आहे. डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन तर होणार नाही. मग डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन मध्ये प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 म्हणा त्याला. एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 1 त्याचं नाव लिहा, डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ हायड्रॉलिक स्पीड कंट्रोल सर्किट. मग ह्याच्यात हायड्रॉलिक स्पीड कंट्रोल सर्किट त्याचं काय ऍप्लिकेशन आहे, हाऊ इट वर्क, त्याचे टाईप कुठले, मीटर इन, स्प्राउट आणि ब्लीड ऑफ सर्किट, हे 3 टाईप विथ सर्किट डायग्राम एक्सप्लेन करा, ते डिस्क्रिप्शन लिहा, राईट. अशा पद्धतीने पहिला एक्सपेरिमेंट कंप्लीट करा. नाउ आय हॅव in today's lecture we will demonstrate a second experiment, that is a demonstration of transfer and feed circuit. Transfers and feed circuit, it is applicable for certain applications like drilling, right. Another one, fast approach and slow transfer, that circuit we have also studied in industrial applications of the hydraulic circuit. त्याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करतो, काही असे ऍप्लिकेशन्स असतात, फॉर एक्झाम्पल ड्रिलिंग मशीन मध्ये काय करावं लागतं, आपल्याला टूल वर्कपीस पर्यंत येईपर्यंत ते फास्ट आणावं लागतं आणि वर्कपीसच्या जवळ आल्यानंतर त्याची मुवमेंट स्लो करावी लागते. आणि एकदा का ड्रिल झालं तर पुन्हा ते टूल फास्टली ओरिजिनल पोझिशनला न्यावं लागतं. त्याला काय म्हणतात, ट्रान्सफर अँड फीड सर्किट, फास्ट अप्रोच ट्रान्सफर अँड फीड सर्किट. सिमिलरली शेपिंग मशीन जर पाहाल तुम्ही, शेपिंग मशीनच्या बाबतीत forward stroke, during that stroke material is to be removed, so that stroke it will be a slower one, and the backward stroke, त्याच्या वेळेस मटेरियल रिमूव्ह होत नाही, तो स्ट्रोक कसा पाहिजे, आपल्याला फास्ट पाहिजे. आपण क्विक रिटर्न मेकॅनिझम पाहिजे पहा शेपिंग मशीन मध्ये, तिथे देखील आपण हे सर्किट यूज करू शकतो. Likewise, you have to study different circuit which will based on transfer and feed. I will share the link of that circuit. You have to go through that circuit, study, go to that link, listen the animation, watch the animation, listen the description, and you also have to write the second experiment, that is a demonstration of transfer and feed circuit. Are you getting my point or not? समजते का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the student from the A division, write your attendance in chat box. A division student. Is it over? Student from the A division. Now student from the B division, write your attendance. One question I have to ask, that how many UT you have solved till now? 1, 2, 3 or 4? किती चॅप्टर वरती आपण UT घेतले? पहिल्या, दुसऱ्या, तिसऱ्या, चौथ्यावर घेतली का? सचिन,
चौथ्यावर राहिली.
चौथ्यावर राहिली ना? Okay. I will share the link in our next session regarding the fourth UT. And also there will be one meeting for me from 3:30 onwards. So you may go through that test, whose link I will share next session of 3 o'clock. Right. At the same time, we also, if you are considering the term work part, see here, we have covered. If screen is visible, screen is visible to all. स्क्रीन दिसते का सगळ्यांना? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हा, लास्ट वीक मध्ये आपण हे प्रॅक्टिकल कव्हर केले, त्याच्या लिंक दिले तुम्हाला, राईट. आजच्याला आपण डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ ट्रान्सफर अँड फीड सर्किट घेतोय आणि 3चा जो स्लॉट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये वी हॅव टू कव्हर IS टू सॉल्व फॉर डिफरंट कॉम्पोनंट्स ऑफ हायड्रोलिक अँड न्यूमॅटिक्स. आणि त्याच्याबरोबर मी एक लिंक पाठवतो टेस्टची, 4थ्या युनिटची. हे तुम्हाला कव्हर करावं लागेल, राईट. So without wasting the time, I will share a link to all of you. You go through that link, listen and watch the animation, the description, and you have to write the experiment in journal pages, right? In a manner that demo. First experiment number 1, it will be a demonstration of a speed control circuit, demonstration of hydraulic speed control circuit. Experiment number 2, demonstration of transparent feed circuit, right. In ICA you have to write the assignment 1, 2 and 3 assignment and 4 experiment, right. Likewise, we have covered these 2 up to today. We will cover these 2 experiment and 1 assignment. One assignment, that is the IS symbol for different components of the hydraulic and pneumatic system. I think I have given one. Fluid power symbol, right. I have given this PPT to all of you, right. You have to go through this PPT and study all the symbols. Those are used for hydraulics and pneumatics. Accordingly, you have write the assignment based on this PPT number 3A. It will be mainly focusing on symbols. Is it clear? समजते का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will share the link on your WhatsApp group, right. You go through that link and study it and write the experiment. Complete experiment number 1 and 2 up to Monday, right. Okay, when I will ask, you have to submit it. Okay. Still there will be some problem for students. Waiting list. Is anybody in the waiting list? All of are given the attendance. Is anybody remaining from A division and B division? Write your roll number, because I will going to. Hello, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. I will share the link on your WhatsApp. Okay, I have shared the link on your WhatsApp group. Go to that link, watch the animation, and write the experimentation. I think all of you have written your attendance in chat box. You may quit this meeting and watch the animation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We will meet on 3 o'clock again. Shall we stop over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check your WhatsApp group.